We got a box. Today, we might get another box. Inside another box. Inside another box. Let's open it. Wow!
Wow, what is that?
I don't know.
It's the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier.
Cool! Let's open this up.
But you were right, there was a box inside of a box.
Yeah. Let's open this up.
It's by Kyvol. It's the Vigoair HD3 Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier.
Take that out. There it is.
You need some help?
Yeah, there's him.
There. Whoa, that's pretty nice looking.
Hey, there's a phone in here.
A what?
There's a phone in here.
A phone? Oh, a foam. Hi, Will.
I'm in TV. You can watch TV through me.
All right, we've got it out of the box. We opened it up.
It says, do not eat. What? There's do not eat what?
No, it says don't add essential oils to the water. So,
Oh, there's food. Where's the food?
yeah, so in here,
Where's the food? Where's the food?
we had water in there. Close it. And we turned it on.
Look at
So
the face.
here's the instructions. Plug it in. Don't place it in a wet environment. Don't place it on carpet. Don't place it near open flames. And do not make the nozzle face towards the wall. Okay, all really good tips. Don't put it near the dogs or kids or sunlight. And always place it 2 feet above the floor and 12 inches away from the wall. All right, well.
Do this.
So turn it around, and then in there, that's where we add the water.
Wow, big tank. Look at these balls too.
Okay, be careful, and dump that in there carefully. Carefully. Wow, you didn't spill a single drop. I was for sure you were gonna get water all over the place. Okay, put it back together. Wait, I think it's backwards. Flip it around. It's got a cool little handle too to lift it.
Is it right?
Yep, yeah, you got it. Pretty good job.
Hey, where did this handle come from? We've never seen it.
Alright, well, you got it plugged in. Let's turn it on and see what it does.
Well, how do we turn it on?
Turn it to the ON, which spells on. There we go. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it more right, all the way to max.
This one?
Yeah, let's crank it up. Wait, other way.
It's on max.
Okay, now we just wait and it's gonna start humidifying the air.
This humidifier helps you when you're coughing. It makes the cough go away. It also makes your congestion go away if you're cold. And it also makes the air cool and fresh.